Yo, good afternoon Philippines. Dave G TV is in the house. Kasama ko si Lakati. Yeah, and Nar. Sasakay kami sa yun, Flying Fiesta. So makikita nyo ng live through the air ang aming show. Just check it out lang kayo dyan. Okay? Nagsiset pa rin po sila. Ayan po, makikita nyo po. Set lang set.
Welcome to Flying Fiesta. For your safety, please lower your safety bar and fasten the seat strap to the safety bar. Keep your safety bar down. Do not twist or turn in your swings. Do not push or grab other swings. Secure all footwear.
Okay, ready na. Magsisimula na po kami.
Flying Fiesta is
Alright.
about to begin. Please remain seated and hold on to the safety bar in front of you. For your safety, do not hold on to the chains. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Okay. Ready na? Ready? Okay. Oh, yan na! What the fuck? Woo! Woo! Bebe! I love you! Woo! Woo! Oh, tigil naman kayo dalawa! Oh, hello! Hello! Woo! Hello! Woo! Nakita niyo ba? Nakita niyo? Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Yeah! Yeah! Alright, motherfucker! Yeah! Woo! I love it! Oh no! Yeah! Oh! Nice shot! Oh! Kaway naman! Kaway! 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 Kaway kayo dyan! Woo! I love it! Woo! Nice move! Nice move! Woo! Woo! Alright! Woo! Ah, napakasarap dito sa ere. Nakasakay po kami sa Rio Grande. And Shoutout Kingdom is in the house, yeah. Alright. Woo! Para kaming mga adik dito. Hi, baby. What's up? Alright, ito na camera ko. Alright, on camera. Watching. Alright, here we go. Woo! Alright. Woo! Yeah, man. Gusto mo sumakay? Mamaya, sasakay tayo.